welcome you to join us. Practice on the mystical beaches of Kauai and feel the ocean spray invigorating your senses. Breathe deeply, connect your energy with the energy of the island, and celebrate that you are here. Our goal is to create a magical Kauai experience that will bring you deeper into your practice, relax your body, and expand your mind. We help you to explore what your body intuitively knows and use yoga to tap into your body's needs. We're the studio without walls or ceilings, and we allow you to believe in the power of nature and yoga to heal and uplift, to renew and revitalize. Join us on the beautiful beaches of Kauai